Hello dear friends! This is a video overview of new crypto robot Bearish Power from our partner SmartGrow in the Cryptorobotics terminal. First, go to the Algo Trading section and select the Trading Robot section. In the All Robots tab, we see Bearish Power robot in the upper part. This robot trades both long and short positions in the futures market. Bearish Power uses custom-created indicators in multiple time frames to signal potential trend reversals. The bot is not waiting for a trend confirmation signal to enter, instead it uses statistical extreme values to open a trade. Let's take a closer look at one of the robots. Click on the Test button. For testing, you must have any paid Pro package. We go to My Robots tab, then we press Manage button. A window opens with the parameters and settings of the robot. There are two modes. There are Test mode and Work mode. If you haven't run such robots yet, you can run it in Test or Demo mode. In this case, the bot will enter real orders directly according to the chart, taking into account the order book, but your balance will not be affected. It should be noted that this robot has a fairly simple setup and is well suited for both experienced users and beginners. Let's see how to start the robot in Work mode. For this, you need to select the Work mode and go to the settings. The first thing we do is choose an exchange. Let me remind you that in order to be able to connect the Binance and Binance Futures exchange, it is necessary to pass verification on this exchange themselves before linking them via the API. Next, select one of the keys or accounts. You may have several of them. Next, we select the balance for trading, for example 400 USDT. The robot itself calculates the trading lot size in the amount of 5% of the total balance. During trading, the robot can only use half of the allocated balance in accordance with the risk management. Next, we click Save and Run. The Statistics section will display all statistics for the running robot. These are the percentage of successful trades, the percentage of unsuccessful ones, the average profit, the average loss, and the balance of profit and loss. We can also go to the section Trades, where both closed and open deals will be displayed. Also information on the exchange, currency pair, opening prices, opening time, closing prices, closing time, and its status, profit on both closed and open orders in real time. For example, now our robot entered one deal and we decided to close it. To do this, just click on the Sell button. We confirm and our deal is closed in real time. That's all. This was a video tutorial on setting up and using Bearish Power robot in the Cryptorobotics terminal. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.